Hi everybody, this is our final video of E9. We recently just painted the shutters and I thought I would show you the house one more time. So we have other videos of this house. There's our flyer. If we're not here, you're always welcome to pick one up so you can know more about the house. This is a multi-section home. It's a pre-owned home. We have it staged so you can get a feel for what it's like. Such a great neighborhood. All the neighbors are out chatting. It's a beautiful day. So here you have your living room and your open kitchen floor plan. Great space. Lots of room. Let's go check out the kitchen. This is your side-by-side refrigerator and your dishwasher and your stove and microwave. Lots of counter space in this L-shaped kitchen design. Really nice. Really came out beautiful. So there you go. Take a look at the kitchen from this angle. And let's go down the hallway and check out the rest of the house. Fabulously wide hallway. Lots of space in here. And here's your second bedroom. And lots of space. You've got a closet there. And this is your utility closet room. In here you have your washer and dryer that are included with this pre-owned house. And you've got all wood cabinetry, oak cabinetry, and the door that goes to your shed. And then behind the door you have your furnace and your hot water heater. Again, I've shown more details in other videos. We're just running through one more video today to give you the final view. And you've got your master bedroom in the back, but we'll stop in first and check out the bathroom. This is really pretty. Very cheerful, bright. You've got the one-piece fiberglass unit bathtub with your shower curtain there. And that's your vanity and a medicine cabinet. And look at this big room. This is really huge. So that's a queen size bed and you could probably fit a king. All the shades and the curtains stay. The decorations are not for sale. And that's your walk-in closet over there. This house has bedrooms that are carpeted. Isn't that big? Very cozy, very quaint. A great place to live and thrive, rejuvenate. So take one more look at the kitchen and your living room and email us at info@dolanhomes.com so you can find out more about this house and what's required. And if you want to, after reading the informational email, if you want to know more, then you can ask for the 15 pre-qualifying questions so that you can come and get a personal tour of this house. We'd love to meet you. In the meantime, check out our website, www.myhomeincarteret.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.